First, open Canva and select the video layout to start a new video project. Upload the video file you want to work on. I have this sample video here that I'll be adding music to. Next, click on the Elements tab on the left side and select Audio to browse Canva's audio library. They offer a wide variety of genres, moods, and tracks available for free and paid. You can preview clips by clicking the play button. When you've found one you like, select it to add it to your video project. I'll add this upbeat track as an example. The audio clip will appear as a layer on your timeline. You can drag it to position where you want it to start. I'll place mine at the beginning of the video. Make sure to line it up with your video playback indicator. You can adjust the audio volume using the slider on the clip. Now when I preview my video, the music will play along with it. You can add multiple songs and adjust timing as needed. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you have any other Canva questions. Thanks for watching.